Rachel here, and in today's video I am going to be doing a natural makeup look tutorial for the new year. I was thinking to myself, it's now 2020 and why not start off the year with a nice clean slate of a natural look. Let's get into it. Now we're going to start off this look with primer. The primer that I'm going to be using today is the OXX Studio Express Hydration Primer. I got this primer from Kmart. It was about I think it was about $9. It was fairly cheap, and this primer, I've never had any problems with it. It's never come up red on my skin, and it's a really nice primer. So let's put this primer on. Okay, now we're just going to put the primer on the face. We're just going to drop it on like so. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to pat it down all over my face. I have found that this primer does a lot of coverage. It's fairly easy to use and it spreads really quickly. So it goes really far on the face. It's time for foundation. The foundation that I'm going to use today is the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. It's a matte foundation. I've got the color Ivory or Natural Ivory. The number is 122, and I got this foundation from Priceline. It was within, I'm pretty sure it was around probably the $23 mark. It wasn't completely expensive, but it wasn't cheap either. So let's put the foundation on. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to get the foundation. You're just going to put a little bit on your beauty blender, when I can get it right. Put that all over your face. The only problem that I have with this sort of foundation is that the top is a screw on top. I don't have a pump, which I feel that a pump would be a lot easier to use, because with the screw on top it gets quite messy and then the lid gets messy and you'd probably know the rest. This foundation does quite a lot of coverage. It's fairly easy to use. Now that I have my foundation on, I'm going to go in with concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the Maybelline New York Cover Stick Concealer. I got this from Kmart as well. Can't quite remember how much it was. I will have all these products that I'm using down in the description, so if you would like to buy them, I will have where I got them from. So with this concealer, I'm just going to put it on the chin, the nose, underneath the eyes, and basically a triangle in the little part of your forehead. The other thing I'm going to do with this concealer, I'm just going to put it on any blemishes that I have on my face that I want to hide. Now that we have our concealer on, we're just going to take our beauty blender and dab that all in. Okay, now once you have blended all that in, I'm going to take my powder. The powder that I'm using today is the Maybelline New York Matte Makeup Mattifying Powder. I got this one from Kmart as well. And we're just going to take that and we're just going to put it all over our face just to give, or basically to set it. What we're going to do is we're going to take our powder brush, which is the bigger one, and we're just going to put it all over. Now it's time for blush. The blush that I'll be using today is the Essence Silky Touch Blush. Yes, I have used this blush quite a bit. Don't hate on me. I've had this blush for a very long time. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our blush brush, which is basically a sort of slanted brush. We're just going to take that and we're just going to put it on the tip of the cheek here and a little bit up. in circular motions while you're doing that, and then just going up. So you get a little bit of that pink. The highlighter that I'm using today is the Nutrimetics Marbleyes Highlighter. It is up to you if you want to wear highlighter. This is basically, it's a natural look, but I prefer to put highlighter on because it's highlighter. Like, how could you not love highlighter? But yeah. We're going to take our blush brush again, and we're just going to put a little bit of highlighter on. And we're just going to put the highlighter above where we just put the blush, not all the way down, just a little bit above. So basically like that. And then after that, I'm going to take a small brush and just put a little bit of highlighter on the nose, the Cupid's bow, and just underneath the eyebrows. Okay, now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I am going to be using the Beauty Works pencil. I don't think Beauty Works sell this pencil anymore, but I will see if I can find something that is similar to it. So I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera. I'll be back in a minute. I am back, and now we're going to get into the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is the Revolution London palette. It's called Iconic Fever. And with this palette, I'm going to be taking a little eye blending brush. I'm just going to take that, and I'm going to go for this pinky color that is at, I'm going to go for this pinky color that is here. I'm just going to take that and I'm going to put it on the lid of my eye. Okay, now after we've done that, I'm going to take this reddish dark brown color that is here. I'm just going to take that and I'm going to put it in the crease of the eye. The next part, I'm going to get a flat eye brush, and I'm just going to get the goldish color that I have at the end here. And I'm going to put that on the lid, the lower lid of my eye underneath the crease. Putting that color on gives the look, the natural look, a little bit of a glam, but it's subtle. It's not massively seen. Okay, now once we've done the lid part, we're going to take this slanted brush and we're just going to take the lighter colored palette, the lighter colored shade, when I can get my words right. And we're just going to put that underneath the eye, basically to like eyeliner. Now, once we've done that, we're still going to take the same slanted brush and we're going to go for that gold shade again, and we're going to put that in the middle part of our eye. It's completely up to you whether you want to do that, but I prefer to do that, so that's what we're going to do. Now it's time for mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be putting on is the Sax Studio Mascara in Black. I don't think this company sells this sort of mascara anymore, but I will see if I can find something that's similar to it. And we're just going to put the mascara as you would usually, just on the eyes. Now time for the lipstick. The lipstick that I'll be putting on is the Liqueur Beauty lipstick in the shade 79. Well, number 79, not shade. And it's basically a brownish color, natural brown. And I'm just going to put that on my lips. Now that is the completed look for this natural makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like if you did, and subscribe. Click the bell button so you get notified for future videos. I cannot talk today. I think I need coffee. I just need coffee. So yeah. Oh, I'm so awkward. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and put down the comments below if you have any other videos that you would like me to try, whether that's doing try on hauls or other makeup videos or doing testing products even. Just let me know, please. Please just let me know. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!